Want to compare two lists and find out which names are missing from one of them? Let's use the COUNTIFS function in Excel to do just that. I've got two tables here. One is my main list and the other is my reference list. Both have names and dates. In the first table, I'll use this column to check for missing names. Let's start by typing the formula. I'll use if and COUNTIFS to check whether the name in this row appears in the second table. If it does, I'll return present. If it doesn't, I'll return missing. Hit enter, and boom! Instantly see who's not in the second list. This method is great for attendance checks, list validation, or cleaning up messy data. This is part 2 of the 500+ Excel tips and tricks playlist here on the channel. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and useful Excel tips. Thanks for watching.